Good morning everybody, how are you all? I hope you're all safe and well. So today I thought we'd make a paper plate bird because I've been doing a bit of bird watching while I've stayed at home. So this bird I've made earlier is a robin and I thought we'd do a robin together. So what you need first is a paper plate, but if you haven't got a paper plate it doesn't matter. I've cut out a circle. So that's a circle, so I've cut that out already and I'm going to use my paints. And to mix orange you're going to need red, and you know what other colour that makes orange? That's right, yellow. So I'm going to mix that together to make orange. Oh, look at that, boys and girls. So before I paint it, I'm going to fold my circle in half. And make sure Mummy and Daddy can help you with that. So, should we get painting? So if you don't have any paints, doesn't matter, you could use crowns or pencils to colour in your paper plate or your cardboard. And we're going to paint this a nice orange colour where we've mixed our red and our yellow. I need a bit more. So, and then once that's painted, painting it orange, you'd paint it black. So, almost there. How are you getting on? Now, I will attach the instructions, so if you need any help, then you can use the instructions as well. So, this is our robin, ready for some eyes. So, you're going to need some googly eyes. Again, if you don't have any googly eyes, it doesn't matter. You could paint them on, or you could use a crown or a pen. And you're going to need some glue to put our googly eyes on. So, if you don't have this type of glue, it doesn't matter. Oops. One eye. Two eyes. So, my robin now has eyes. So, now Robin Redbreast has a red breast. So, we're going to need to colour our robin and give him a lovely red breast. So when you're bird watching, you'll know if it's a robin redbreast because of the red breast. Just like my robin here that I made earlier. So, now we need a beak. So to do a beak, we're going to cut out a triangle. Can you remember what a triangle shape looks like? Should we cut one out? And if you've got yellow paper, fantastic. So we can use our yellow paper to cut out a triangle for a beak. So we're going to use our glue and we're going to stick that down for his beak. What do you think? Looks good, doesn't he? Now what do we need? I think we might need some wings. So to make the wings, you could use some pipe cleaners, some paper. You could use some sticks. You can use some outdoor sticks from the tree. So today I'm going to use, for the wings, I'm going to cut a piece of paper. So again, Mummy and Daddy might need to help you with this. And I'm just going to cut some little lines through that piece of paper. And then I'm going to fold them over so they curl. You can see what I'm doing there? Just curling them over. And then I'm going to use a bit of glue and I'm going to stick his wings either side on the side. Again, make sure Mummy and Daddy help you with the cutting if you need help. And again, I'm going to curl them over like so. Bit of glue and then stick the wings on. What do we think? So now we just need a towel, and I'm going to use one of these pipe cleaners for a towel. And if you do it in the garden, you can listen to all the birds singing. And there is my bird's towel, my robin redbreasts. And there you have my paper plate bird. Oops, his tail's dropped. So, what we could do, children, is when you're out in the garden, you could even count how many robin redbreasts that you see. And I'm going to leave you a counting sheet to see how many birds and different types of birds you can find in your garden when you're next bird watching. So you might want to get some binoculars. Have fun, children.